Rolls-Royce is already known as the ultimate symbol of luxury, but Mansory is taking things to a truly insane level in 2027. Meet the 2027 Mansory Phantom, an ultra-luxury sedan with a super-aggressive design, your futuristic aura, and a luxury that makes other premium cars look ordinary. It's a symbol of power and lifestyle for the world's billionaires. And today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most luxurious and surprising cars of 2027. Take a look at the front. The 2027 Mansory Phantom immediately exudes an aura of luxury. The large Pantheon grille with vertical chrome accents remains the center of attention, combined with minimalist, square LED headlights that look sharp and futuristic. The front bumper is sportier, with black carbon fiber accents at the bottom, providing an elegant contrast to the white body. The long hood, clean body lines, and spirit of ecstasy emblem at the front end make this sedan look like a billionaire's limousine, commanding the road. On the side, the design retains the classic silhouette of the Rolls-Royce Phantom, with its long and luxurious silhouette, but the large, sporty, multi-spoke wheels give the car a more modern and distinctive feel. The body proportions are elegant, with a flat roofline that gives the car a formal feel typical of British ultra-luxury sedans. Chrome detailing around the windows and door handles further emphasizes the premium feel, while the lower and wider Mansory body kit gives the car a more aggressive stance than the standard Phantom. Moving on to the rear. The 2027 Mansory Phantom looks much more modern and aggressive than the standard Rolls-Royce Phantom. Vertical LED taillights, combined with a bright red light bar that stretches across the trunk, create a very futuristic look. The illuminated Mansory logo in the center is the main focus, providing an exclusive identity that immediately distinguishes it from the regular Phantom. A subtle spoiler on the trunk lip also adds a sporty character without losing the Rolls-Royce's signature elegance. Lower down, Mansory has added a large, more aggressive carbon fiber diffuser and a sporty, square-shaped exhaust system, making this ultra-luxury sedan look even more powerful. The rear body proportions retain the long, luxurious feel typical of a British limousine. This car truly belongs to a young billionaire. Moving on to the interior. The 2027 Mansory Phantom truly feels like a modern billionaire's private lounge. The entire cabin is wrapped in premium white leather. The wide digital dashboard, luxurious analog clock, and detailed metal controls give it a British ultra-luxury feel. The large panoramic glass roof creates a spacious and luxurious feel. Plus, thick fur carpets and super soft seats make the interior feel more like a private jet cabin than a regular sedan. The 2027 Mansory Phantom is expected to retain Rolls-Royce's signature 6.75-litre twin-turbo V12 engine, which has been aggressively modified by Mansory to produce around 700 to 750 horsepower and incredible torque. The combination of brutal power, a super quiet cabin, and world-class comfort makes this car feel like a private jet cruising on the highway. In the global market in 2027, the 2027 Mansory Phantom is expected to start at $1.1 million and up. This fantastic price is commensurate with the ultra-premium materials. The Mansory Phantom is one of the most exclusive and striking sedans in the modern automotive world. What do you think? Leave your best comments.